Hi everyone, حالتون چطوره? It means how are you in Farsi. I'm Rozina from Let's Cook with Rozina. Welcome to an exciting international collaboration celebrating vibrant flavors of South African cuisine. Join me alongside a talented YouTube chefs as we showcase our favorite South African dishes. And please make sure my description box below for full list of these amazing chefs and the direct links to their YouTube channels. So today I'm making Malay Lamb Curry recipe. This curry is easy to make. It just takes a few minutes to put everything all together. Then all you have to do is dig in. Here is everything you will need for our insanely delicious lamb curry. Don't let the ingredient list intimidate you. This dish is so easy to make, I promise. And trust me, once you taste it, you will be a curry making pro in no time. Let's get cooking. Finely chopped 2 medium onions, finely grated garlic and ginger, 3 finely diced tomatoes, half a cup chopped fresh coriander leaves, 3 cardamom pods and 4 cloves crushed. Now all the ingredients are ready and we can start making our delicious curry. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or some yummy ghee butter. Heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Then toss in the chopped onions, add pinch of salt and saute them until they become nice and translucent. This usually takes about 10-15 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons grated ginger and 1 tablespoon grated garlic and saute for about 1 minute. Perfect. Add 3 chopped tomatoes to the onion mixture and braise for about 10 minutes. And now add all the spices, including turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, coriander powder, cumin, salt, and chili flakes, curry powder, cardamom, and cloves. Mix all the spices with the onion and tomato mixture. Then let everything simmer together for about 3 minutes. Now toss in the stewing lamb and stir it around so every piece gets covered in those delicious spices. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's beautifully browned. Okay, now pour in 500 milliliters of water and give it a good stir. Bring everything to a gentle boil, then cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer on medium-low heat for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the diced potatoes and stir well to coat them in that flavorful curry sauce and sprinkle with the coriander leaves. Then put the lid on and continue cooking for another 25-30 minutes until the meat is melt in your mouth tender and potatoes are soft. Smells amazing. I cannot wait to give it a taste. Once it's done cooking, taste the seasoning, and if it needs more salt and pepper, it's a good time to add it. Just look at this, guys. The lamb curry looks absolutely delicious, rich, fragrant, and perfectly cooked. And the sauce has thickened beautifully and coating every bite with flavor. Time for the taste test. I love it. hearty and very delicious. The sauce is creamy, rich, and very nice. And meat is literally melt in the mouth. And it tastes even better next day because the flavor develops. Maybe you ask what to eat with Cape Malay lamb curry. Well, serve this delicious curry with fluffy rice, or if you are feeling fancy, with flat naan bread. It makes a wonderful main course. It's a delicious curry that you will be sorry to finish. My advice, make double the amount as it tastes even better as leftovers the next day. See you in next one. God bless and lots of love. Khuda Hafiz.